What's up, crypto community? It's your man, Mr. Solution, aka the man with the crystal ball. All right, so on this episode, I'll be walking us through how to lock in your profit. Okay, sometimes you enter a trade and you discover that that trade is already in your favor, but you are afraid, or you're starting off the market. You're thinking that there is a probability of dumping, or there is a possibility of dumping, so you don't want to lose your accumulated profit. So the essence of this video is to guide you on how you can lock this profit so that you don't get to lose all. Right, so this is actually a trade I entered earlier this morning. Look at my entry here, you can see where they wrote long. This is long. Okay, so I entered this trade at this very point this morning when I saw it hitting this very support level, and I saw the formation of a hammer. Okay, and hammer usually signals a candlestick, a reversal. Okay, it usually signifies a bullish reversal. So I saw this and then I decided to take a long entry. Look at where I entered the trade, and then from my analysis, okay, from my speculation and every other thing, I discovered that there is a possibility of this breakout that occurred here getting to this point. So this is actually the target, 9.4135. Initially I had two targets. One was here, which has almost been crushed, and then the next one is at this point. Okay, but as you can see, I'm already in profit because I entered the trade at this very point. So I do not want to lose all the money I've made so far. I do not want to lose my profit, so I decided to lock in profit. Okay, so how did I do that? You discover here that this is okay. I've already reached my first target, but then I have not sold. So I now did a little other analysis. Where is the next support? And I discovered that this is the next support. Okay, this region, this very point now is the next support. That's around 9.1005, yeah, around this point. Okay, so this happens to be the next support. So what I'm telling myself, this is actually the next support. So what I told myself is that if possibly this chart reverses, or the price reverses and starts going down, if he hits the next support level, which is here, I want to be taken out of the trade. But if you check very well, I didn't put my take profit, I didn't put my take profit immediately at the support level. I kind of gave it a little space. Reason being that if eventually this price should reverse, if eventually the price should go down, if it touches this very support level, there is a tendency that it will reverse and start going up again. Okay, so I don't want to put it at a point where I'll be taken out of the trade, because this is where alternative energy, this is where many buyers are waiting to accumulate. Okay, so I don't want to put it at the very place where buyers are waiting to accumulate. I decided to bring it down a bit, so that if eventually it eats up that very level, I know that truly that support has been broken. Okay, so it will start looking for another support. So that's why I decided to take it down a little bit. All right, so how did I do that? You know, FTX exchange has various types of orders. Okay, there are various types of orders available. Okay, so for you to do that, you go to this very place here now, this place that wrote order type. Okay, change it to select stop market. Okay, so you can see the different order types. We have limit order, we have the limit, the market, the stop market, stop limit, trailing stop, take profit limit. Okay, so I am using stop markets. Okay, so what this stop market means is that a price should eventually get to this very point now, which is where I put my take profit. Okay, if price eventually gets to this very place now, I'll be taken out of the market. So I wouldn't really lose everything I've made so far. I will lose a little, but not much. As you can see, price is actually still going up, it's still galloping up and all that. Okay, so as the case may be, I've discovered that it's actually going up, so I could decide to maybe take it up a little bit. Okay, initially I had 9.10005 as my lock-in profit. I've discovered that price is still going up, and then I'm still making more profit, so I do not want also to lose the one I've made so far. I could just come here, drag this thing up, take it up a bit. Okay, I could just decide to put it here. I could put it at this very point. So I want to lock in my profit again at this point, so I'm taking it up to 9.1225. okay, once I do that, I leave it. Now this is the place for me to modify my order. I simply click on this modify order. Okay, so my order has been modified. You see, order is placed, sell this quantity at this very price. That's the stop market. So a price eventually starts going down, starts falling again, and gets to this very point, I'll be taken out of the market. So I still have my profit intact. Okay, so this is actually how to lock in your profit. I hope the video has been educative enough. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you have any question, any concern you want us to talk about concerning cryptocurrency trading, futures, sports, or any other type of trading, kindly reach out to me using my social media channels, my WhatsApp, my Twitter, and also you can join my community of traders on Telegram, where we share trading insights on a daily basis. Okay guys, till I come your way again, I remain your man, Mr. Solution.